forecast first on Color 10 News Ozarks First.
Good morning and thanks for joining us on this Thursday. Pretty quiet out there this morning, not too much going on. Could have some clouds, some patchy fog, maybe a drizzle, but not too much going on this radar here. We do have an aerial flood advisory continuing for southern Oregon County until 8:45 this morning because of flash flooding that occurred yesterday. We could still be looking at residual flooding this morning as they got 4 to 6 inches of rain incredibly quickly yesterday. That's a very locally heavy downpour. Some flooding reports. The hay bales were floating after 5 to 6 inches of rain. Some damage to the fences from those floodwaters as well. Similar situations up in Benton and Camden counties from yesterday as well. Reports of several feet of water flowing on the roadways near Camdenton. There were pockets of 4 to 6 inches of rain as well. Just incredibly heavy rain, too much rain at once, causing those flash flood concerns. But you can see it was pretty spotty in that, I mean, those were the problem spots. And outside of that, a lot of us didn't get a lot of rain. Springfield actually clocked 0 inches into the climate report from yesterday, again, while others had up to 7 inches of rain. If you're dealing with that flooding this morning, please turn around, don't drown, never drive through a flooded roadway, don't walk, swim, or play in flood water. This is the next problem spot. We're watching these storms up in Iowa this morning. They'll start to dive to the south and east as we head through the afternoon in a couple of different rounds. We'll have one round earlier on today, possibly around noon, really focused up to the north and to the east. Then we'll have another round of redevelopment possible around Kansas City that will dive to the south and east. With both, we have a marginal risk for severe weather, meaning 1 or 2 of these storms could be strong to severe. Our threats today, half-dollar size hail, damaging winds, and that localized flash flooding threat similar to yesterday. Could see a couple of these rounds here on FUTURECAST. Again, by noon, we'll have that round, first round kind of dive to the north and east. Some uncertainty on how far southeast does that round get. I think it does break up as it gets here, but we'll have to see how far south and east it makes it. And then we'll have another round possible by later on this afternoon and evening coming down from the Kansas City metro. Notice the temperatures around 90 to the east, where more clouds would keep us a hair cooler. Then we're looking at some middle and upper 90s to points Springfield and west, very hot and humid. Again, we keep that round of storms in the evening, another one possible overnight with temperatures in the 70s, and then we'll have to keep an isolated storm chance tomorrow because that low is going to continue to whip around to our north and east, so we could swing around a few storms again by tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures tomorrow very hot in the middle and upper 90s. As that low moves to the east, it will swing through much less humid air, some drier air by Saturday. So while we'll still tap into heat from the south and west, with the dew points dropping into the 60s, with it being less humid, I don't think it will feel as terrible this weekend as it has in past days. 96 degrees today with some rounds of showers and storms possible. It feels like 105 because of that heat index. We have a heat advisory in effect for Springfield and generally speaking points of west of Highway 65 where that heat index could approach 110, 74 overnight with a few storms possible. 97 tomorrow, chance of storms. Hot again. Friday will be the hottest day of the week. 97 degrees, 93 both Saturday and Sunday, and less humid. Sunshine and lower 90s next week.